Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me. If you're new here, I talk about all things studying abroad, immigration, and traveling. So if any of that interests you, consider subscribing. In today's video, I am going to be talking about how to get a USA visa in 2025. This will be a step-by-step guide on what you need to do from the very beginning till the end when you receive your visa. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the official website of the U.S. Embassy in your home country. For example, if you are applying from India, you would go to the U.S. Embassy and Consulate in India website. The link for the same is provided below. Once you are on the website, you will see a tab on the top which says Visas. Click on that. You will now be rerouted to a page which has all the types of visas. Since we are talking about a student visa, click on that. Now this will take you to another page which talks about the F1 student visa. The next thing you need to do is give an interview at the U.S. Embassy in your home country. You will be given a date for the interview, and you need to make sure you book that date wisely because it cannot be changed later on. At the interview, they will check your documents like your passport, your acceptance at school or university, your financial support documents, your DS-160 form, and your receipt of payment for the same. They may ask you some questions about your trip to the U.S., like why did you choose to study there? Where are you planning to study and what are you planning to study? How long do you plan to stay there? And what is your field of work? Be honest and polite while answering them. After the interview, if everything goes well, they will stamp your passport and give you a document which is called the I-20. The I-20 document has all the details about your course, your university, your major, the duration of your stay, and the amount of money you need to sustain yourself during your stay in the U.S. Make sure you keep the original I-20 with you, because you will need it when you land in the U.S. You will also get a print out of your DS-160 form, and that has a barcode on the top, right-hand side corner of the paper. Make sure you do not lose that barcode because you will need it when you are doing your online check-in for your flight. Now, once you reach the U.S. and if everything is fine, you will get your student visa stamped on your passport within 48 hours. The next thing you need to do is activate your student visa. To activate your student visa, you need to go to the USCIS website and activate it there. The link for the same is provided below. On that website, you will have to fill in some details like your full name, your date of birth, your passport number, your non-immigrant visa number, and your receipt number. After filling in all these details, you need to upload some documents like a copy of your passport, your I-94, your I-20, and your receipt of payment of service fee. After uploading all these documents, you will have to pay $350 as the service fee, and after that, your student visa will be activated. So guys, this was the entire process of getting a USA visa in 2025. It's pretty much the same as previous years, and if anything changes, I will let you know. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.